First of all, go to add new section and create a single structure and single element. Now you have to go to these 9 dots and you have to search for advanced tabs, and then you just have to click on it and drag and drop it here. Now it would load for a while and then you will see a default template like this. Here you can see there are 3 tabs, tab 1, tab 2 and tab 3. And you can make it something like one tab shows laptop, the other tab shows mobiles, and the third tab shows the other electronic accessories. But right now we already have given a section for it and we don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and just do the things which I told you before, that is adding a list of the recent products and adding a list of the best selling products. Now as we have to do this, we only need 2 tabs, not 3. So you should just go to your general settings section and then content, and then you'll see tab title 3. You just have to click on this cross button and it would load for a while, and then you would see that it has been removed. And then you can just go to these tabs and modify them like the way you need. You can also add icons, and for the recent products we can just use a home or a cart, whatever we like. We can use a cloth or mobiles, right? And yes, we can just insert it. And then what you have to do is you have to just go ahead and remove this sample text. And as you can see, it has been removed. We can go ahead and rename the tab as recent products. And then what you have to do is you have to go to a new tab and then you have to search for WooCommerce shortcodes. And here you will see this docs.woocommerce.com, and then you have to just click on it. So WooCommerce gives us some pre-built codes which we can place on a website for additional functionalities, and we can just go ahead and copy the code from here and paste it. So you can see the cart code, checkout code, my account code, order tracking form code, and then you just have to hover down, scroll down until you find this featured products, or you can say yes, this featured products option. And here you can see there's the shortcode for adding a cart section, a checkout section, my account, and there are many different shortcodes. But the shortcode we need is featured products. And just what we can do that is we have to just select this code and then copy it. Then we have to go to our Elementor section. You have to go to this text tab. Here are 2 tabs, visual and text. You have to go to the text tab. You have to click on it and paste it. And then after a while, you will see some of your products which you added to your site being displayed here. So now let's go ahead and update this. And yes, you can see that right now you can't see any of the products which you added. So this is because we have set the visibility to featured, but to achieve what we need here, it's recent products. So we can just make the visibility to recent, and then you'll see that all your products which you added pops up. Now you are seeing that this mobile phone looks very big, and then the resolution is also not so good. So what we can do is we can increase the product limit and columns. So likewise, you can see here 4 product limit is set to 4 right now. So you can see 4 products here. But what if we set it to 8? You will see that here 8 products come up. Yes. Now you can see that still they are not looking very good. So a thing that we can do to make them better is we can make them in 4 columns. So there would be 4 columns, and which would be containing the product. And yes, you can see now it looks much better. And when we are styling the website ahead, we would also remove these add to cart buttons, and we'll do many different settings that we need. So now let's go ahead and change this tab title to and modify it to what we like. Now let's go ahead and change this to best selling. We can add something like a graph for this one, or yes, this digital wallet type of thing is good. Let's remove the sample text, and then let's go to short codes included with WooCommerce. You can see here it is for featured products, but we need it for the best selling products. We can just copy it, and we can go to the text section. We can just paste it, and bingo, you have done what you wanted to do here. If you go to this best selling section, you would be seeing this Samsung Galaxy M21 or whatever products you would have added. But if you update it and go to your website in another tab, you won't see anything in this best selling tab at first, because you haven't sold anything right now. So how will it update and come here? So the thing is that when you start selling items and you make some sales, your best selling products would be shown here, which is a very good thing if you also want to manage them. And yes, you can also make it to 4 columns, and you can set the product limit to 8. And in this way, it all goes consistently, and now our website is starting to get its awesome look. We are done for now, guys, but we should do one thing, that is we should add a bit of padding on the top. So let's just click on this section, go to advanced, and add a padding of maybe 30 from the top, and then hit update. As I already told you, when you finish a section, you should go and hit update. And then let's go and see that how this would look on a mobile device. And as we can see, recent products, best selling. Yes, this looks very cool. And when we remove these add to cart options, it would also be starting to look very awesome. And it would also not take much space on a website. When someone is scrolling, he can just scroll through one object, the second object, and he can also see their price and everything. So this makes our website responsive, and it also is very good. Now, as we have created the recent products and the best selling section, let's now go ahead and create a new section. And in this section, we would be doing something similar to this. So let's just go ahead and create a new section, but this time with 4 elements.